We're starting right where all good DIYs begin, the thrift store. Head to your local thrift shop and look for old books in different sizes. Don't worry about the titles, the colors, or even the condition. The more worn in they are, the better. Go ahead and remove any slipcovers. Next, grab a candle holder or pedestal you already have at home. Taller candle holders give a more dramatic look, while short and simple ones keep it cute and compact for smaller books. Now start stacking. You can keep your books loose and unglued if you'd like, switching things up for each season, or if you're planning to move it around and want something sturdy that is long-lasting, use a little bit of hot glue between each book. When your tree shape is done, it's time for the fun part, decorating your tree. Wrap some ribbon or twine around your stack and add a bow. This is where your style really shines. Whether your holiday decor leans farmhouse, modern, vintage, or minimal, this DIY fits right in. And just like that, you have the cutest thrifted book tree.
Grab some fresh greenery for this Christmas decor. Cut a strip of fabric for some ribbon. Trim the top of the greenery and then place it on top of each other. Secure it together with jute, leaving a loop at the top. Fasten some pine cones to the greenery using hot glue. Use your fabric to tie a ribbon at the top and hang it on your door for some beautiful pine cone swag. Grab some pine cones, place some rocks in a planter or container, add in some greenery, place the pine cones on top, hot glue together to make them higher. Add in some fairy lights and you've got the most beautiful pinecone topiary.